Lie back at home and watch your wealth grow. Hello, everyone. I am BitHunter, mining even while I sleep. Subscribe to the channel and make money together. Today I will introduce to you the latest AI mining project. It's called TensorCash, or TSC for short. With the rapid development of AI, the demand for GPU computing power is increasing, and the TensorCash project hopes to create a decentralized AI computing power network, allowing the GPU to not only participate in the blockchain network, but also be used for AI inference calculations. Compared with traditional mining, only calculating hashes, TensorCash hopes to make GPU computing power play more practical value. If the ecology continues to improve in the future, GPU may not only be able to mine, but also participate in more AI applications. Of course, TensorCash is still in the development stage. Future development also depends on many aspects such as AI application, project progress, and community ecology. For those who are optimistic about the direction of combining AI and blockchain, this is a new project worth keeping an eye on. Currently, TSC is not listed on any centralized exchange. So, if you want to buy or sell TSC, you are welcome to join the BitHunter official Telegram group. There are OTC escrow-backed OTC trading channels for various new coins in the community. There are many. The bosses are acquiring various potential coins, and there are also many miners trading here. As of August 1, 2026, the current OTC trading price of TSC is 50 cents as of August 1, 2026. BitHunter provides professional escrow service in the group to protect your funds. TSC has been listed on the LUT pool that we are familiar with. BitHunter take the LUT pool as an example. Let me introduce to you the mining process of TensorCash coin. Before mining, first, prepare a wallet for TensorCash coins. Here, BitHunter have prepared TensorCash for everyone as always. Coin one-click mining script. If you need, you can send the lowercase TSC tutorial in BitLight's official Telegram group. The group robot will automatically pop up the tutorial for this currency, the one-click wallet synchronization script, and the one-click mining script. It is very convenient. After downloading the wallet, double-click the wallet batch file. Open your wallet. Initially, the wallet blocks need to be synchronized. In order to be able to mine this coin as soon as possible, you can click the hide button to let the wallet synchronize data in the background. If this is your first time using this wallet, here you will be prompted to create a new wallet. We click create and first set a name you like for your wallet. Here we choose to enter BitHunter, then click the set password checkbox, then click the create button. A password setting box will pop up on the interface. We enter the wallet password twice, click the confirm button, and the wallet is created successfully. Create. After it is created, we click the accept button, and then click the new payment address button. The QR code and address information of the wallet address will pop up on the interface. Let's order. Click the copy address button to copy the wallet address for later mining use. If you have already created a wallet, there is no need to click the new payment address button. Just double-click the wallet list below. The wallet address and QR code will also pop up automatically on the interface. With the wallet address, we can mine this TSC coin. With the wallet address, you can participate in TSC mining. We came to the LUT pool and opened the mining tutorial interface of the mining pool. It can be seen that the mining of this TSC is different from traditional graphics card mining. Need to install AI large model, and the GPU memory is required to be greater than 24G. Therefore, only high-end graphics cards with graphics memory greater than 24G are supported for mining. Due to the need to install a large AI model, the steps are very complicated. Therefore, the mining pool provides Docker images with large AI models installed for mining. Let's take a look at the specific tutorials for mining pools. If you don't have a graphics card, you can choose to rent a graphics card from the Vast.ai or Clore.ai platform. Then, according to the tutorial, install the mining pool image by following the tutorial. If your mining rig runs a native Ubuntu system, Docker can be installed directly for mining. The mining pool also provides mining scripts. If you don't know how to install Docker, BitHunter has prepared a one-click mining script for Ubuntu. Simply replace the wallet address placeholder in the script with your TSC wallet address, then paste the script into the Ubuntu command line to start mining. That concludes this TSC mining tutorial. BitHunter is off to mine TSC. Join the official BitHunter community. Trade and buy TSC together. Thank you all for your support.